Hello, my name is Glenn Todd and I'll be running the digital marketing series. I started off studying fine art, then signwriting, then graphic design, multimedia. I then started a small web company in 2000 that focused on more graphic design, fancy design websites. And we got a bit of international recognition and that was all fine. I then started working on activist projects and as soon became apparent that fancy websites don't mean much. What we really want is websites that work. And that's a whole long, complex process of making websites work, which I will then share my 25 years knowledge on how to make websites work. The other thing with activism is it made me very frugal because generally activist groups don't have any money. And so how do we do things strategically without much budget? My training style. So I've done quite a lot of training and I will run as fast as everyone can keep up. So please slow me down as my focus is on you, not trying to get through the content. Dumb questions are welcome and more dumb questions are welcome because this stuff has got a lot of new concepts and it's confusing and the people around you would also may be struggling with a certain thing. So please ask questions, please ask dumb questions. It's a safe space and it's all good. It's better to learn part of our course and we don't finish all the content than we fly through and learn nothing. Now, the overall view of our course is you don't need to be good or know anything to start. You don't need to be doing it all. There's way too much that I'll be covering for you to do all of this. There's lots of concepts in a very short time. And the idea is to give you an overview of digital marketing and some of the options for you. Then we'll plan what is relevant and what is achievable for you. And only you can decide what's achievable and what you plan to spend time on doing. Then we'll start working on that, one thing at a time, in priority with your strategy. Now, please don't worry if you feel overwhelmed and all of these concepts are too much, because these videos that I'm creating are designed just to give you an overview of the concepts. When we're in the workshops, we'll actually apply those concepts. So that way we can discuss them in more detail. Anything you don't understand, we can work through. And then we can spend all of the time in the actual workshops working on your project. So there's plenty of time for questions and we'll go through all of that with you. It also allows us to get the opinions and to discuss questions with other people in the group about what they think. So yeah, we will by the end of the session actually have some substantial work that is the application of these concepts that you can take home and actually apply.